Good morning, everybody. It is indeed a privilege to be a part of Smile event. I don't have any words to express my gratitude and acknowledge Professor Pant for his consideration of including Nature Cure talk in this event. Thanks a lot, sir. Before I start sharing my thoughts on a topic of mental depression, I need to brief a bit about Nature Cure for the people who are less aware of this science and philosophy. The first thing first, nature cure is not herbalism or naturopathy. Let me share a few more basic foundations of nature cure. Nature cure is a science of managing the vitality to attain and maintain health. Nature cure works on purely cause and effect analogy. It focuses more on causes of disease than the symptoms of the disease. Nature Cure understands that the medicine helps a diseased person to suppress the symptomatic discomfort. But the real cure can only happen through internal vitality. Nature Cure discards disease causation theory of germ, which is called germ theory. It accepts soil theory. Nature Cure also discards deficiency theory of specific element deficiency in the body because of the body's immense transmuting capability. On all these topics, if someone is interested to discuss more, I would be more than happy to assist. But for the interest of the topic specification of this event, we shall limit our discussion in this group about mental depression only. In my portion today, there will be a total 5 posts, including this one. The upcoming topics are vitality and innervation, thoughts and self-image, rational analysis to reduce thoughts, PSYsolution, and montage of my life. Thanks a lot for listening. My next post will come in 15 minutes from now. After that, every 15 minutes, you'll be getting one post from my side, preferably a text followed by a PDF and then followed by a video link and video if it is uploaded in WhatsApp. Otherwise, YouTube link you'll be getting. Thanks once again.